package here, but this is me and Lola's maybe or not, cause we didn't order a red dress, and she ordered something, and me probably, cause I didn't see my red dress. Let's go ahead and open it. What's this?
Oh, that's mine.
This is Lola's.
That's my nails.
Nails.
Nails. Nails.
My,
Oh.
my dress.
Let's just open it, Mimi. I'll open this one.
I want to feel my dress.
You want to open this one? This is for New Year.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god.
It's so cute. Look at it.
It's so nice. Oh my gosh.
What's on me?
Why does it feel like that? I want to try it on.
We have to turn off. We're taking a video without music?
Wait, is it supposed to go like this?
Yeah. Look at me. Look at me, Mimi.
Oh my god, that's so cute I am wearing.
Come here. Don't remove your shirt. Come here. Come here. This is for her.
It's comfy.
It's warm. Oh my God, Lord. Wait. That's her. Show it to Daddy. Say bye, guys.
Bye guys. Subscribe to our channel with our red stuff. Bye.